Healthy eating and proper nutrition are essential components of a balanced lifestyle that contribute significantly to overall well-being. A nutritious diet provides the body with the necessary nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and energy required for optimal functioning. Here's a more comprehensive exploration of the importance and principles of healthy eating and nutrition. 1. Nutrient intake. Healthy eating involves consuming a variety of nutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in the right proportions. These nutrients support various bodily functions, such as energy production, immune system health, tissue repair, and hormone regulation. 2. Weight management. A balanced diet helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity and related health conditions, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Proper nutrition can assist in both weight loss and weight maintenance by controlling calorie intake and providing essential nutrients. 3. Disease prevention. A well-balanced diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular disease, hypertension, and stroke. Antioxidant-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can protect cells from damage and lower the risk of cancer. 4. Enhanced energy levels. Nutrient-dense foods supply the body with the energy needed for daily activities and exercise, improving overall vitality and endurance. Complex carbohydrates, found in foods like whole grains, provide sustained energy release. 5. Cognitive function. Proper nutrition supports cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, are known to benefit brain health. 6. Digestive health. A diet high in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics found in foods like yogurt and kefir can promote gut health. 7. Strong bones and teeth. Calcium and vitamin D, obtained from dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods, are crucial for bone health. Adequate nutrition during childhood and adolescence is critical for proper bone development. 8. Skin health. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins such as vitamin C and E, and hydration can promote healthy, radiant skin and protect against premature aging. 9. Mood and mental health. Nutrient-rich foods contribute to emotional well-being by influencing neurotransmitter production and reducing the risk of mood disorders. Diets high in omega-3 fatty acids may help manage conditions like depression. 10. Longevity and quality of life. A nutritious diet is associated with a longer life expectancy and improved quality of life in older adults. It can help maintain physical independence and cognitive function as people age. 11. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is a crucial aspect of nutrition. Water supports digestion, regulates body temperature, and ensures proper cellular function. 12. Individualized nutrition. Personalized nutrition takes into account individual factors such as age, gender, activity level, and specific dietary requirements or restrictions. Tailoring your diet to your unique needs can optimize health outcomes. 13. Sustainable eating. Sustainable nutrition choices, such as reducing meat consumption and minimizing food waste, not only benefit your health but also the environment. 14. Mindful eating. Practicing mindful eating involves being present and aware of what you eat, fostering a healthier relationship with food and preventing overeating. 15. Balanced lifestyle. Healthy eating is most effective when combined with regular physical activity, stress management, and sufficient sleep as part of a holistic approach to well-being. Incorporating these principles of healthy eating and nutrition into your daily life can have a profound impact on your health and vitality. It's essential to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or medical conditions. Building a sustainable, balanced diet that you enjoy can make it easier to maintain healthy eating habits in the long run, ensuring you reap the numerous benefits of proper nutrition.